Welcome to Animal Realm, your ultimate destination for all things wild. Let's know about. Kangaroos are iconic marsupials native to Australia known for their powerful hind legs, large feet, and distinctive hopping gait. Kangaroos are from the family Macropodidae, macropods, meaning large foot. In common use, the term is used to describe the largest species from this family, the red kangaroo, as well as the antilopine kangaroo, eastern grey kangaroo, and western grey kangaroo. Kangaroos are indigenous to Australia and New Guinea. The Australian government estimates that 42.8 million kangaroos lived within the commercial harvest areas of Australia in 2019, down from 53.2 million in 2013. Because of its grazing habits, the kangaroo has developed specialized teeth that are rare among mammals. Its incisors are able to crop grass close to the ground, and its molars chop and grind the grass. Since the two sides of the lower jaw are not joined or fused together, the lower incisors are farther apart, giving the kangaroo a wider bite. The silica in grass is abrasive, so kangaroo molars are ground down and they actually move forward in the mouth before they eventually fall out, and are replaced by new teeth that grow in the back. 5. This process is known as polyphyodony and, amongst other mammals, only occurs in elephants and manatees. The large kangaroos have adapted much better than the smaller macropods to land clearing for pastoral agriculture and habitat changes brought to the Australian landscape by humans. Many of the smaller species are rare and endangered, while kangaroos are relatively plentiful. Introduction to kangaroos. Kangaroos are marsupials, which means they give birth to relatively undeveloped young that then continue to develop in a pouch. They are characterized by their powerful hind legs, long tails, and large, muscular tails. Kangaroos are well adapted to their environment and are capable of hopping at high speeds and jumping long distances. Biology of kangaroos. Species. There are 4 main species of kangaroos: the red kangaroo, the eastern grey kangaroo, the western grey kangaroo, and the antilopine kangaroo. Each species has its own unique characteristics and habitat preferences. Size and weight. Kangaroos vary in size depending on the species. Red kangaroos, the largest species, can grow up to 6 feet tall and weigh up to 200 pounds. Eastern grey kangaroos are slightly smaller, while western grey kangaroos are the smallest of the grey kangaroos. Habitat. Kangaroos are found throughout Australia in a variety of habitats, including forests, grasslands, and scrubland. They are well adapted to arid environments and can go for long periods without water. Behavior of kangaroos. Hopping. Kangaroos are famous for their hopping locomotion, which is an efficient way to travel long distances at high speeds. They can reach speeds of up to 40 miles per hour and can jump as far as 30 feet in a single leap. Social structure. Kangaroos are social animals that live in groups, known as mobs. These mobs are led by a dominant male, known as a boomer, and consist of several females and their offspring. Kangaroos communicate with each other through vocalizations and body language. Reproduction. Female kangaroos, known as flyers, have a unique reproductive system. They have 2 uteri and can be pregnant with a developing joey while also nursing a young joey in their pouch. Kangaroos have a relatively long gestation period, lasting around 30 days, and joeys are born in an extremely undeveloped state. Conservation status. Kangaroos face a number of threats in the wild, including habitat loss, climate change, and hunting. Some species, such as the eastern grey kangaroo, are considered to be of least concern, while others, such as the red kangaroo, are classified as near threatened. Conservation efforts are underway to protect kangaroo populations and their habitats. Cultural significance. Kangaroos are an important part of Australian culture and are featured prominently in Aboriginal mythology and Australian popular culture. They are often used as symbols of Australia and are featured on the country's coat of arms. Kangaroos are also important to Indigenous Australians, who have used them for food, clothing, and tools for thousands of years. Absence of digestive methane release. Despite having herbivorous diets similar to ruminants such as cattle, which release large quantities of digestive methane through exhaling and eructation, burping, kangaroos release virtually none. The hydrogen byproduct of fermentation is instead converted into acetate, which is then used to provide further energy. Scientists are interested in the possibility of transferring the bacteria responsible for this process from kangaroos to cattle, since the greenhouse gas effect of methane is 23 times greater than carbon dioxide per molecule. Thank you for joining us on this wild journey through the animal realm. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting animal adventures. Until next time, stay wild and explore the beauty of nature.